The continuous advantages in networking technology has brought various web services to the marketplace, and people are now finding their daily lives are more and more dependent on online services. These include instant messaging, online entertainment, online shopping, and online business services. All of these interactive services have been contributing to the massive, rapidly increasing data growth. And this is driving service providers to build more and more data centers to support the infrastructure requirements. However, traditional data centers are facing some challenges, which have made it increasingly difficult to accommodate the rate of data growth. For example, a traditional data center is hard to plan, expensive to build, and comparatively inefficient in terms of energy usage. But now, can we solve these problems? Let's take a look at the Huawei Symantec Container Data Center solution, which is easy to deploy, highly mobile, has great energy efficiency, and is easy to manage. This newly introduced idea is now changing the options and service providers have available to them. Huawei Symantec solution is based on an ISO standard 40-foot shipping container. It is modular and has flexible configuration capabilities. The container data center can be utilized in a variety of scenarios, varying from disaster recovery to data center expansion and for mobile data centers. This solution only requires very simple site preparation, a 10 cm thick concrete-based platform and grounding network, an AC mains power supply or generators, and a water supply for the internal humidifiers. Once these are in place, connecting up the container data center and starting operations is rapidly achieved. The container data center is divided into three main sectors: the power supply area, the IT area, and the air conditioning condenser fan area. The power distributor panel and the lighting protection system control cabinet are in the power supply area, which is designed to be compliant with Class 3 light-to-day-proof standards. Inside the main entrance door, there is a small buffer room, which is pressurized to avoid air exchange when engineers are required to enter the container to maintain equipment. This ensures that both the temperature and humidity remain stable within the container. The IT area is separated into two sections, described as the cold aisle and the hot aisle. When entering the container via the airlock buffer room, a second door takes you into the cold aisle. Here, you will see the front of the equipment racks and the other major internal infrastructure components such as the inline air conditioning units and cabinets. The Huawei Symantec Container Data Center uses in-row integrated cooling system units, where the cold air is separated from the hot air and the airflow moves horizontally through the equipment racks. This prevents mixing of the hot and cold airflow and provides greater energy efficiency than a traditional data center. Before shipping the container, all necessary components are installed at the factory. This includes cable trays, IP surveillance cameras, sensor for temperature and humidity control, smoke sensor, water sensor, door open sensors, and an automatic fire suppressing system. The only thing left for the consumer to do is to install the IT equipment. And Huawei Symantec can also provide servers, storage, and networking components if required. Additionally, the container is shipped with 6 vibration shock absorbers attached to each rack and each air conditioning unit, which protects the equipment while in transit. Integrated software is provided that manages the environmental monitoring systems within the container data center. A user-friendly graphical interface is provided which displays the operational status of the data center. It incorporates a comprehensive alarm management program based on SNMP protocols, which is compliant to and easily integrated with most network management systems from third-party companies. This is a self-contained all-in-one system, which can be built as a complete data center, including all basic functions. All components of the cooling system are incorporated within the container, with no need for additional external chiller units. It is this fully integrated design that makes very quick deployment possible. The data center infrastructure, as the foundation of the network, is becoming more and more important in the global economy. Huawei Symantec is focused on working in this field to help customers to achieve sustainable business success. We believe that Huawei Symantec Container Data Center is a key component that is a leading part of the technical revolution in the IT industry today.